Good day. Welcome back to our class. This is teacher Onin de Guzman and our topic for today is evaluating functions under general mathematics of grade 11. In this particular video tutorial, evaluating function means replacing the variable in the function, in this case x, with a value from the function's domain and computing the result. To denote that we are evaluating f at a for some a in the domain of f, we write f of a. So let's consider problem number 1. Evaluate the following functions at x is equal to 1.5. So say for instance f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So it means that all x's will be substituted by 1.5. So 3 times 1.5 minus 2. So we have 4.5 minus 2, or this is equal to 2.5. Letter B, if we have g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x, again, all x's will be substituted by 1.5. So we have here 3 times 1.5 squared minus 4 times 1.5. So we will come up with 3 times 2.25 minus 6. Simplifying it further, we have 6.75 minus 6 is equal to 0.75. On the other hand, if I have h of x is equal to 2x plus 1 all over x minus 1, again, our objective is substitute all x's by the value of 1.5. So, we have 2 times 1.5 plus 1 all over 1.5 minus 1. Simplifying it further, 2 times 1.5 is equal to 3. Then 1.5 minus 1 is equal to 0.5. So we have 4 divided by 0.5, so this is equal to 8. Let's have another example. Evaluate the following function. F is equal to 3x minus 2 and g is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. So if a, so we have the function of 2x plus 1, and for the g is 4x minus 3. So let's start with f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So instead of x, we will replace all x's by 2x plus 1. So it means that we have here, instead of x, I'll replace that with 2x plus 1. Okay, then perform the given operations. So I have here, distribute 3 times 2x is equal to 6x. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, then minus 2. Simplifying it further, 3 minus 2 will give us 1. So therefore, the final answer, f of 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x plus 1. On the other hand, if I have g of 4x minus 3, so from the equation or from the function gx or g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x, all x's should be replaced by 4x minus 3. So we have here now g of 4x minus 3 is equal to 3 times 4x minus 3 squared minus 4 times 4x minus 3. Again, so we have here a square of a binomial. So again, if we have square of binomial, meaning to say, we square 4 times 4, so 4x times 4x, we will have 16x squared. Then multiply these two together, 4x and 3 times 2 will have negative 24x. Then negative 3 times negative 3 will have positive 9. So by the way, we will distribute later on 3. Then we have here, distribute 4 here. Negative 4 times 4x is negative 16x. Then negative 4 times negative 3 will give us positive 12. So simplifying it further, so if I'll distribute 3, so I have here 3 times 16x squared, 3 times negative 24, x will give us negative 72x. Then we have 3 times 9 will give us 27. Then we have negative 16x plus 12. Simplifying further, I can combine 27 and 12 as well as here negative 72 and negative 16x. So it will result to 48x squared minus 88x plus 39. Let's move on to number 3. Evaluate f of a plus b where f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3x. Then again, we'll start with the given function. F of x is equal to 4x squared minus 3x. So if we have the expression f of a plus b, meaning to say all x's should be replaced by a plus b. So we have here x would become a plus b. Then we have 3x, it means 3 times a plus b. Simplifying it further, if I have here square of a binomial, again, I have a times a is a squared. Multiply a and b, that is ab times 2, we have 2ab. Then we have b times b is equal to b squared. Then later on, we will distribute 4. Then we will distribute here 3, or should I say negative 3. So negative 3 times a will have negative 3a minus 3b. Then we will distribute 4, simplifying it further. I have 4 times a squared is 4a squared. 4 times 2 is equal to ab. Then we have 4 times b squared is equal to 4b squared. Then we have minus 3a minus 3b. Since we can no longer combine other terms, so this is the final answer. Let's have application on sample number 4. Suppose that s of t is the top speed in kilometer per hour of a runner when the temperature is t degrees Celsius. Explain what the statement s of 15 is equal to 12 and s of 30 is equal to 10 mean. So the first equations mean that the temperature is 15 degrees centigrade. Then the top speed of the runner is 12 kilometers per hour. On the other hand, when the temperature rises to 30 degrees centigrade, the top speed is reduced to 10 kilometers per hour. Let's have another application on example number 5. So the velocity v in meter per second of a ball thrown upward t seconds after the ball was thrown is given by v of t is equal to 20 minus 9.8 t. Calculate b of 0 and b of sub 1 and explain what this result means. So we will start with b of 0 that is equal to 20 minus 9.8 times 0. So we will replace t by 0. So this is equal to 20. On the other hand, if I have b times 1 is equal to 20 minus 9.8 times 1, which is equal to 10.2. So these results indicate that the initial velocity of the ball is 20 meter per second. On the other hand, after 1 second, the ball is traveling more slowly at 10.2 meter per second. So that ends our discussion on evaluating a function. Again, this is Teacher Onity Guzman. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified about my new videos. Thank you.